TECNO is making inroads in the high-end segment, and the Chinese manufacturers have announced the launch date for its upcoming flagship, the Phantom V Flip. Will make its debut in Singapore on September 22. The foldable will join the likes of the Phantom V Fold, unveiled in Mobile World Conference 2023. In building TECNO's foldable portfolio as a brand aims to take on the might of Samsung. They have not really revealed any detail of the V Flip, but it will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset. The flagship is said to have a 6.9-inch internal screen, which is much bigger than Samsung Z Flip 5's 6.7-inch screen. Unlike other flip phones, the Phantom V Flip will have a cover screen that's nestled within the camera island. Design leaks of the foldable show a huge camera island with a 1.32-inch screen tucked inside. It makes an interesting device. Some more details that has come out of the phone is that it has a potential 64 megapixel primary lens joined by a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 3900 mAh battery and 45-watt charging tech. There's no news about the price yet, but price will come out. As you know, Chinese people like to leak out stuff very fast.